When you're editing in DaVinci Resolve and you've got multiple tracks or multiple types of clip like A-roll, B-roll, sound effects, music, it can start to get a bit tricky to navigate around that timeline and find the exact things that you want to find. This can slow your editing down and just make the process more frustrating. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use clip colors and track colors to help keep track of everything that's happening in your timeline. By default, in a timeline, all of the video tracks are going to have this blue color and all of the audio tracks are going to have this green color. So if I just drag in a clip, the video part is blue, the audio part is green, but we can take control of this. I'm going to delete that clip from the timeline. I'm going to right click on this clip, come down to clip color, and then choose a color. Let's choose orange. You get this little icon on the clip itself, and when you drag this clip onto a timeline, you can see it's this bright orange color, which makes it super clear to see what kind of clip this is. You can use whatever colors you want for these clip colors, but I would recommend using the same color scheme for all of the timelines you work on, because that way you can just open any timeline and straight away know what all of the different clips represent. Let's change this clip's color to teal, drag that onto the timeline, and that makes it super clear which clip is which. If you want to clear the clip colors, just select one or more clips, right click, come to clip color and choose clear color. You can see in the timeline that those colors have also disappeared. Another great use of colors is to set track level colors. To do this, right click on a track header, choose change track color, and once again choose a color. You can see the default blue here. Let's go for orange again. This indicator shows us the color of this video track, orange, and now if we drag a clip onto this video track, it's going to inherit that track's color and turn orange. Maybe video track 2 is going to hold B-roll, so maybe we choose brown for that track's color, and any clip we add to that is going to be brown. If I go and change a track's color, let's change it from brown to lime. All of the clips on that track will inherit that color change. You can also change the color of audio tracks independently of the video tracks if you want to. If you have got a clip color set, let's change this clip's color to tan. If I now drag this clip onto the green video track, it doesn't inherit that track's color. The clip color overrides the track color. If I then change this track's color from lime to pink, any clips on that track that don't have a clip color set will continue to inherit track level color, but this tan clip hasn't changed to pink because this has a clip color set and that takes precedence.